Okay, now it's recording. Get up, buddy. What is he doing?
A little jackrat. A little jackrat.
Little jackrat, short and stout. Here's my snout and here's my tail. Actually, it's the other way around.
Here's my tail, here's my snout.
Yeah. Get him, buddy. What is he doing, buddy? What is he doing? What is he doing? That playing? That's more like smothering him.
Buddy.
Yeah, the buddy he is with you is just a pal, you're not an owner.
Not a true buddy.
Well, Buddy Joseph. Buddy Joe. Now what are you gonna do?
Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
He does that a lot. It's like he's got multiple personality disorder.
That silly butt.
And Kitty hasn't been back yet.
He will be.
Yeah, I know. Ever since this morning. But oh well. I love you
Still
too.
got one here, buddy.
You're the oldest. I love you too. I love you too. Yes, I do.
Yeah, buddy's a good boy.
Always.
Oh,
You're the bad one. And Kitty's a good boy. Love you too. Yes, I do. Don't tell me no. Yeah, I know. Still gotta get you those pills. Yeah. Too bad the pet insurance won't cover that, but at least it'll cover other stuff with you. It'll be up more starting next month. Yeah. Then you'll be on the exact same plan as Kitty Cat is on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, pretty soon we should get you and Kitty Cat on the recorder and stuff. Meow, 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 meow. Love you too. Yes, I do. Wee, 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 wee. Wee, 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 wee. Now what are you gonna do? Now what are you gonna do? I love you too. Love you too.
always gotta be a buddy.
Why do you think I named him Buddy?
Always
Kissy Buddy right now. You kissy mood? Love you too. Yeah. What? What, buddy? What, buddy? Oh, Jeff.
Yeah.
I think it was yesterday when I got when I got back, where did I go? When Kitty came back and stuff, I was laying here and I was awake on the computer, and then I heard a noise back here, so I moved the curtain. Kitty was up here meowing at me, wanting in. It's like, well, can't open this window, so I went around and he came in that way. He jumped up there, and I was thinking, what the hell is that noise? Because normally squirrels get up there. Yeah. Ugh. Kitty cat! Kitty's outside! Hey, it might be Kodak moment. Kitty will be up here. Kitty! Kitty, kitty, kitty! Oh, at the outside window? He's outside? There you go. Buddy. Kitty. They're got them both in the video. Kitty was let out this morning, and this is first time coming back. Crunch, 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 Captain Crunch. Like Buddy when he eats dog food. This is what he does when he gets back home. That's the first thing he does when he comes in the house and comes in the room. Don't you, kitty cat? Chow down. Don't fall off the bed, bud. Your butt. And don't end up in that box. Well, that toad. You that hungry, kitty cat? You that hungry? Hmm. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty cat. Hi. Hey, kitty. Whoop. Whoop. No, buddy, you're not getting any of it. No. You got dog food. Yeah. Tastes good. Tastes good. Can I have some of it? Kitty looked at you like, what are you doing? What are you jumping, Kitty? What are you jumping for?
Are you spooked, little kitty?
He's jumping. Did you catch any mice and ate mice? Did you eat them? He hasn't been bringing mice in the house anymore.
Huh?
He hasn't been bringing mice in the house anymore.
Oh, that's good.
Dead or alive one.
Yeah, that's good.
He only brought live mouse in once. Didn't he, buddy? And you got to catch it outside when he tried to catch the mouse outside. After I got it back outside. Didn't you? Didn't you? Hey. Mm. Yeah, I had to put it over here because buddy, he'll eat it. He'll eat it. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Hi. Mm. Hi. That's what he just do. He's being himself. Yeah, you can just eat the crumbs, bud. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yes. You hungry for some more? Oh, now he's gonna lay down. Hey, buddy. No, you can't have dog food. Yeah, you can have dog food, but you can't have cat food. What? Yeah, I know. Your damn allergies, I know. I know. Kitty's purring. Kitty's purring. Better get this thing up here. Is that so, kitty cat? There. I think. You hungry for some more? Okay. Come here, kitty cat. No, bud. No. You're not a cat. Mm. Oh. Now what? Now what? Hmm? Now what? Hmm? Feel better? Feel better with the itches? Hmm? You feel better with the itches? What are you doing? What are you doing? Move the mouse. What are you doing now? Buddy boy. Buddy boy. There's Buddy. There goes Kitty. Kitty's up there somewhere. No. No. Can't have cat food. Now stop recording.